So I just want you guys to know that I'm doing everything I can to make it to Gujarat. If this doesn't happen, I'm really sorry. I wish there was something I could do about it. Unfortunately, I can't. But if it does happen, then this is going to make for one hell of a video. I'm going to see you in Mumbai, Rage. Okay, just reached Bandra. Thank you, Ankit, for dropping me home. I'm out here now with a familiar face, Billion Prime. We're just heading to pick up the Royal Enfield Himalayan for my brother. Fortunately, he's agreed to give me the bike. I don't know why he's in such a good mood this weekend. A slight change in plans. I'm taking the motorcycle to Gujarat tomorrow morning. Instead of going to Ahmedabad, sleeping, doing a meetup in Vadodara, sleeping and then riding back to Mumbai, I'll be riding straight to Ahmedabad, then riding back to Vadodara the same night, tomorrow that is. Getting up in the morning, having a meetup in Vadodara, riding back to Mumbai and meeting the guys in Surat. On my head. What are you laughing about? Why are you laughing? Yeah, so it's going to be a hectic weekend, but we're going to make this work. We're going to make this work. Also, a big thank you to the guys from Eyewear Labs for sending me this pair of sunglasses.
Yeah,
What? Oh, like that? They really came in handy when we were stuck in the afternoon heat. Made really well. I think they're covered from pretty much all the sides. If you guys are interested, there's a discount code as well, which you can use in the description of this video, and you can get a certain percentage off. Go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna head home now and get some sleep, and you better head home as well. Then. Stop putting your tongue out. Alright, see you guys and take care.
Right,
oh, you need to and swipe across. No, close either way, but let's cover the entire. Alright, good morning YouTube. I'm OGF. This is not Rage, and this is attempt number 2 to head to Gujarat. Yep, so it's now 5:30 in the morning on a lovely Saturday, the 27th of January. Second time doing a long trip on the Himalayan. The last time was to Goa way back in 2016. This bike belongs to my brother, and he's been kind enough to give me the bike for the ride to Gujarat. So let's hope I don't f it up. Looks like the sun is finally coming out. The silhouette of that mountain looking really, really nice. I think I'm going to make a stop at Char Roti because it's freezing cold and I need to get some coffee within my system. So yeah, that and probably some chicken keema, because I don't really think I'll be stopping for lunch anywhere. I'll have a heavy breakfast and then go on my way. Here we are at the Char Roti toll naka, and it is 7:02. So an hour and a half to reach from Bandra West to Char Roti on a Himalayan. Not bad, huh? Not bad. I think they're open. I hope they are. Oh god, another awkward moment of getting off. Alright, food has just arrived. We've got the omelette toast sandwich and some coffee over there. I'm gonna continue now, have my breakfast, and then I'll see you guys later. Heading out now, back onto the highway, and I'll stop for a smoke break. I think I've got some Phantom cigarettes. Morning folks. So this is pretty much the place where Rage broke down yesterday, and we walked all that distance back there to then go and meet Biker 390 and Roadrunner so that we could go search for a mechanic. Let me just show you how far we walked with our gear, with that heavy ass bag, with a tank bag, our helmets. this sign mode over here. That's where these guys were. Again, fortunately they messaged saying that they reached on time, so their ride to Ahmedabad was good. I hope mine is equally good. First fuel stop made, 9 liters into the tank, 771 rupees. The good thing about the Himalayan is that it has a really big tank and we really don't have to stop as much on a long ride. Downside is lacks power. It has about 120, 125 depending on your weight and depending on the slope, I guess. Yeah, well, let's see. Some 300 odd kilometers left to go until we reach our destination. And he's on the phone, sitting sideways, not giving a f. Now, you might have noticed that I didn't really vlog a lot when it was darker earlier. And you also would have noticed that I never really vlogged a lot when the sun was facing me. I've realized over time and through experience that the exposure and the clarity of GoPros get affected in the dark, obviously, and when the sun is facing you as well. It doesn't really capture a lot of information, at least the GoPro I'm using. And to the viewers as well, I think to some extent that becomes a bit of a pain, because I personally would want to watch a video where there's touring and traveling and whatnot involved, but the moment what's the word I'm looking for? The moment the color and the contrast doesn't appeal to me, I kind of tune off and I probably end up going to another video. So here's a tip for you upcoming motovloggers as well. We learn every day, don't we? So try and keep it to the minimum unless you've really got something interesting to share in the dark or when the sun's ahead of you. And that's it for the motovlogging tip of the day. Alright, so we've reached Uplat now, which is on the way. I'm just gonna quickly click a picture and update on Instagram so that people know where I am. Oh god, this is a horrible idea. The text is completely mirrored. Either way, I'll put the location in the description. If you're not following me on Instagram, I'm telling you again, you're missing out on a lot. Oh, what is that? Daytona. Not bad, not bad. Alright, smoke break time. We are 180 kilometers away from Surat. Just stopped for some Red Bull, and as promised, a smoke break. I wonder if anyone around here has a lighter. Yeah, the girlfriend always says you have to give like hard looks whenever you smoke, so here's to hard looks. Alright, enough of this rubbish. Let's get back on the road. Alright, done with my smoke and Red Bull break. Time to get back on the Himalayan and head out. I don't think I mentioned this, but that's a Navi adventure backpack. You guys can check them out. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. Ride on air, I don't think these guys need any introduction. Rhinox tank bag as well. Let's get going. Awkwardly, but let's get going. Heading over to the next toll, which is, what is this? Boriach Toll Plaza. Oops, where am I supposed to go from now? Can I go through here? I think I can, no? Yep, I can. Rural India, man. People are real friendly. Rural India. Motorcycles. If you're asking why, chances are you won't understand the answer. To some, it's a way of getting out of their comfort zone. To others, a way of breaking away from the regular. Whatever your reason, once you're hooked onto it, there's very little that comes close to it. For me, it used to be a means of getting to work and back. It then evolved into adventure and traveling. Now, it's a way of life. Now, life is riding. Everything else in between is just waiting. Second full tank done, and we are about 7 kilometers away from Bharuch toll now, and about 100 kilometers according to the guy at the fuel pump from Vadodara. Thing is, over here the miles get munched up pretty quickly because you're doing speeds of 80 to 100 just constantly, so there's really no fluctuation in speed. You don't really realize how quickly you manage to cover so much of distance, so that's a good thing, very good thing. I've been on rides where you feel like you've covered 100 kilometers, but in reality you've just covered 50, and that sucks. That sucks big time. Just stand a little bit here, get some air in the boys. Oops.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning. What's your name, sorry?
Nukman.
Nukman, nice to meet you, man. Ogden. It's okay, take your time, I'm not in a hurry, it's fine. That's Narmada Bridge. One of the few suspension bridges is what I'm told. I'm not sure if that's true, but that's what the guy I met back there, Lukman, told me. Very nice of Lukman to be waiting here for the last half an hour. This is nice, this is really nice. Legs still work. Stopped for my smoke, and I had someone else join me for a smoke as well. You would have seen him on Instagram. His name is Suketu. Gave him a sticker and a smoke, and he's now addicted. Got a call from Joel from Bullet Couple Joel fame. He is about 30 minutes ahead, waiting for me, and we should be able to catch up in a bit and then head over to Ahmedabad after that. It is 12:30. We've made up good time, and yeah, considering the breaks I've taken and the rubbish I've been speaking, I think we're good. Yeah, sure, come.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Hi, what's your name?
Myself, Paras Patil.
Here you go, man.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Yeah, no problem, man. Take care, see you. Gujarat has been really friendly so far. It's very nice to meet so many of them. I know I feel bad sometimes that I miss you guys when I'm at riding pace and you guys are not at the toll nakas. I'm just glad I was able to meet you guys, and I hope I didn't miss anyone today. You didn't have to, yeah. This is so cool, thank you so much. There he is, there he is. Hey man. What's that?
Was it chai or anything?
No, I'm good.
So we'll just pick up my friend and go from down.
Okay, cool.
Yeah?
My name's Ogden. Hi. Okay, bad news is I've lost my phone mount somewhere back there. Good news is my phone was not in it. Even better news is I'm with these guys now, so I don't need to be relying on the map so much. From here on, it was smooth sailing to Ahmedabad. I met Joel's friends, Dhaval, Nimraj and Tausif. Once again, my mind was at ease, just like it was 24 hours ago, knowing that I was once again riding in a group. Our next stop was Ahmedabad, Calorex Teachers University, and the next part of the agenda was to keep up to the promise I made of meeting you all. Alright, thank you so much for watching that video. If you like what you saw, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you didn't, well, there's plenty of other videos of mine to check out as well. Also, I've not forgotten about this helmet Bluetooth headset giveaway. There's quite a few entries which I had to go to, but I picked a couple of winners. That's right, a couple of winners. I know I said that there's just one headset to give away, but the people from ASG store have been really kind and have given me 5 of these headsets to give away. So I'm going to announce 2 of the winners in this video and 3 in the next video. The winners, as always, picked from random.org, are Sahil Mulaji and Adesh Kundra. Congratulations, guys. I just need you to send me your phone numbers and your addresses either on Facebook or on Instagram, and I will make sure that these get sent to you as quickly as possible. Also, for those of you who didn't win this time, like I said, there's 3 more headsets to be given away. So you can head over to the YouTube comment section of this video, which I'll link up in the top left hand corner of the screen, and share what your New Year's resolution is with the hashtag Dear2018 as well. I will pick 3 winners from the YouTube comment section for the next giveaway, and it'll be announced in the next video. Once again, thank you so much for watching the video and for sharing your feedback in the comment section. As always, at least wear your helmets while riding your motorcycles, and ride safe. It's a freaking jungle out there. Goodbye.
The Jack Refix.